First of all, we are going to start with Excel 101, which means is basically for the beginners. And then you are going to more familiar with Excel. Okay. First of all, I'm going to talk about the digital disruption. Why the digital, how the digital disrupt business. We are going to talk about the Netflix, Grabs, and the last one is about education. How digital disrupt the, the education. Uh, if I talk about the disrupt, it means you can use the digital to disrupt your business, but it depends on you. You can change the technology, you can use the data to change your the way you work or to improve your business, something like that. But in this card, we are going to talk about the data, how to use the data to improve your work, how to use the data to analyze and improve your business, something like that. Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about the Excel 101 first. The Excel 101, I'm going to talk about the formula syntax. And the second is about the cell reference types. Cell reference types, it means it's something about the way to copy and paste. It can be fixed and relative cell. And I will give you some shortcut key that help you to like maximize your productivity. And the last one, we are going to talk about the data validation. The data validation is something like if you want people to fill in the data, you need to protect the cell that people input the data. For example, if I want the number is like only age from 10 to 60, 10 to 60. I don't want people to put the text like A, B, C. Don't want people to put the something like -1, -10, or 100, something like that. So we need to protect the cell. That is about the data validation. That we can use that data to analyze. The data cannot go something like unexpected. Okay, so let's go to the Excel 5. Okay, here is the Excel file that we have 20 students. This is the fake data. Okay, the first we just have the student names and their address, city, state, ships, birthday, telephone, and email. And I have also included the data about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. Here for the birth month, birth years, area codes, usernames, first names, and last name, which we try to populate Excel function here. Just keep in mind that if I want to do something, for example, if I want to extract the birth month, there are many ways to accomplish these results in the same thing. I can use first. I can use the menu on top, which we call ribbon, or I can use I can type the command by typing the command from Sketch. If I'm familiar with Excel, if you're familiar with Excel, you can type the command from Sketch. But don't worry if you're not familiar. I will go to step by step. That, for example, if I want to extract month, I can use the ribbon on the top. Let's go to the formula tabs. And then I need the date, time relate to the function, and I am going to look something that is about month. Okay, here it is. We got the month function. It is going to open up this dialog box, and this is basically Excel holding your hand through the argument that they want. Don't worry if you are not familiar to Excel. The Excel will tell you what they want, and you just give the Excel that they want, the data that they want. Okay, they need serial number. So like now we need to extract the date month. So we need to give them a birthday. So I just click the figure here and say the birthday is live like here on H5, and then I paste here and then press OK. So the month 7 gonna be here. 7 is mean July. It's okay. And then I going to copy to another cell. I can copy and copy by paste Control C, and then I paste Control V. I paste Control V for paste another value, the list of cell that I want. Okay, this is for the first way. We use the ribbon on the top. Let me delete it all. I will give you another way. Another way you can use like this. Uh, when you click any function that you want, just keep in mind that you need to put the current cursor, current cell on the way that you want, on the where that you want. Don't put something like here, don't put like here, because I want to extract the month, so I put it here. Put the current cell is here, and then I gonna use insert function option here. Okay, Excel gonna pop up the dialog box. I can search for a function that I want. Now I know my function is about month, so I typing month and press enter. The function that relates to the month is gonna be down there. Okay, and so I keep the function that I want. I want month, so I press OK. Then the same dialog box is gonna open like this, and from now on we do the same thing. Okay, click the picker here and pick the date time and press enter and press OK. Okay, that's it. And I just, if I want to copy, I can hold my mouse like this on the right bottom corner, and then I double click on the right bottom corner. Okay, that's it. This is about the way to copy and paste. It's very quickly. Okay, and another way, the last way. Uh, I can type in the command from Sketch. Just keep in mind that every time you type the command, you need to press equal sign like this, and type the command month month and open parenthesis. You can see the Excel gonna tell you what they want. They want serial number. So I click the date like this, H5, and then close parenthesis, and then press enter, and then I copy it. This is the way to use the formula syntax of month. Okay, let's go ahead to the next column. It's about the birth year. If I want to extract the birth years, I can use the ribbon on the top. or I can try the command from Sketch. Okay, let's try the command on the from Sketch. Every time I try command, I need to paste equal sign and type the years function and open parentheses and paste h5 and then close parentheses like this. Okay, the year 1999 appear like this. Okay, and then paste double click to copy and paste. Okay, that is perfect. Okay, this is the function this is a function about month and year and the way to use formula function, formula syntax. Okay, let's go ahead and populate. The next is about area codes. Area codes, I want to extract the area codes from telephone. In Thailand, the first three number is about the area codes, it's about the province. So I am going to extract the first three number of telephone. First T, so I use the left function. When I type, every time I type the command, I paste open parentheses. It's gonna pop up a hint that Excel want. So Excel say that they want text. Can you see the open and close parentheses? In this parentheses, in the parentheses, we call argument. Some function needs only one argument, like months and years. Some function need two arguments. You need to put the argument what they want. They want text. So I paste, I click on K9 and I paste comma. The next argument is about numchars. Numchar is mean number of character, and you can see, and you see, is the square bracket. Square bracket it mean optional. You can put the number, or you don't need to put the number. If I don't put the number, I just close parentheses like this. The default is gonna be only first number, first character, and I paste like this. But if I need the first three numbers, so I just add some comma and paste 3, something like that. Okay, now I got the first T number. So I got the area cost. Okay, in this case, I want to show you a bit more complex and a bit more advanced. For the username, we have going to define the username by using their email. For example, the first student, the email gonna be everything before assign. K Lasham 99, something like that. And the second is about Ilmore 51, something like that. I can use the left function and put the text here, and the number of character is about, maybe I put 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, something like that. Okay, and I will copy it. Oh, that is not work for another student. Another student, the second student is Miss 51. And the third student is come with at hot. I don't want only everything before assign symbol. So like now I think I cannot use the exact number, exact number like this, exactly number like this. 11 is not work for another student. So I need to put the function inside. If I put another function inside the function, the main function, we call net function, netted function. Okay, 11 is mean about the position of assign. So I need a function that can search where the assign symbol is. So let me do like this. I will delete it all first. And I'm going to use the function search. Search for the file text, we find the assign symbol. This is the text or the one character. If I put the text in Excel, we need to always put the double quote here like this, and I comma and within this text, and then paste close parenthesis, and then copy it. Okay, right now I have got the position of the assign in each student for each student. How do I use this function? So I use like this, equal left open parenthesis, left this function and comma with the number that I want. I need to search. You don't need to put another equal sign like this. Equal sign is put only on the first character, on the first time. Okay. Search something like equals like dollar signs, and within this text something like that, and I close parenthesis for search, and another I close parenthesis for left function. Okay. Oh, I don't want the dollar sign, so I need to minus one from search function. This minus one search. Okay, like this. Okay, here you go. Now I have a username from their email. That is look good. Oh, and something that I see is about the uppercase. Some people put uppercase, some people put lowercase. So I need to do like everything is lowercase. So this is the text that is already complete. It's almost complete. And I put the lower function like this to open the parenthesis. Okay, and then everything gonna be lowercase. The next, I am going to do a little bit more advanced, and you can see in this problem in real life, many often in real life, to extract the name and last name from the names. In this column, it contains the name, contain the first name and last name. So we need to extract the name and last name to split the first name in another column and split the last name in another column.